Oh, so you wanted to know how to make 3-year grade ink? Well, it's very easy. All you need is 4 key ingredients. Here, let me take you through it. Automatic grade pigment. It doesn't fade, it's very durable, and I mean, when was the last time you saw a car that was faded? And oh boy, do these cars stand in the sun. So, we're going to need a little bit of this. Next, we need a really good solvent that penetrates deep into the media. Whew, like this one. Next, we need something very sticky that binds all the ingredients together. Like this resin here. But it has to be very high quality so that it doesn't dry before the solvent does. Now, this is our top secret ingredient. Without this one, it wouldn't be the same. I could tell you what was in it, but it really wouldn't be a secret then. Okay, so here's the fun part. Now, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. So, we're gonna use a bit of the pigment. Now, this stuff works like a bomb. Now, you're gonna see the magic happen. We add these two. Oh, already know this is gonna be great. Now, this one, top secret ingredient, cannot forget about this one. And now give it a good old stir and watch the magic happen. And voila, 3-year grade ink. You see, very easy. And actually, it gets even easier. It's as easy as making a cup of coffee. All you have to do is make sure you don't pay crazy prices for your 3-year grade ink. Just call am.co.za sales for your purchase of high quality 3-year grade ink at the best possible prices. Cheers.